Okay, hands small. This is smaller than a pea size, a little smaller than his. Finger over half. Flatten it just slightly. A little bit of water in here. Place that hand in there. Kind of take this and make two little marks, for the fingers. Okay, now we need the white part. So let's go ahead and keep it thick and then cut it, and then, so it's in the square, and then we'll go ahead and roll it again, rather than stretching it like last time. See, stretching it, you have a little bit more control over the squareness of it. But I can just push it back. Over the top of the spaghetti. Let it come down. Okay, then we need that in a second. Her head, that's not enough for her head, is it? Okay, ball, V shape to make a teardrop. Pop the teardrop on its side over the spaghetti. I think I need a little water that time, wasn't sticking very much. Ooh, look at that, I'll put some water under there. Okay, like so. Scissors, cut the mouth. Like so. Okay, now the difference here on hers, she's actually going to have a little like scarf type thing over her, like the little bonnet, I guess it would be called, little bonnet. So she's not going to have, the ears aren't going to be on this one. She's not going to have it. She's not going to have any ears. So I take a ball and then I just start to kind of flatten it. So it's going to end up going around her like this. Let's just see. Okay, so just place it around. And I have it go in the back. Like so. Let me pick this up and kind of look at her here for the, kind of pinch this part up here, upward a little. So we need a small one for her, so we'll cut out the center again with the smallest one and then cut around it. A little bit of water behind it. Let me open this arm up a little. Okay, so now I'll take the black. Okay, let me do her eyes, and then I'm going to move her on there and then do the black on the back. Now for her, we'll give her eyelashes, so I have my bag at 90 degrees right above the white. Squeeze, pull the tip up, then do it right next to it. Squeeze, pull the tip up. Usually do about 3 of those. The other side. Like so. Nose. Okay, we'll bring her, put her next to him here. We'll give her some brown hair here. So I'm just squeezing and pulling away. There's no tip on this bag. So I squeeze it and I just kind of wiggle it a little bit.